Today we are going to use Sapphire messages with buttons and drop-downs in a webhook. First, create your message template, and then configure Sapphire's webhook as you like. Go to the Message Template Edit menu and copy the raw code of the template. Edit the Sapphire default send message command. Paste the raw code of your message template and save it. Go to the channel you want to send the webhook and type the Sapphire default send message command.